They made it seem like they was finna drop Dub hoodies, the bag, the boots. But they didn't drop none of that. Well, they dropped the Dub hoodie.
Let me get a dub.
All right. Hey man, let's crow off closet, man. I got too much going on right now. Tell me why these folk that dropped 2020 hoodies today. Tell me why. Tell me why. And guess what? They had 2X. And guess what? I got one. Yeah. So yes, indeed, brothers and sisters and brothers from other mothers. Your boy secured the 2020 hoodie today. Man, oh man. Shit I went through, the stress, the turmoil, the worry, the wonder. It was all worth it. It was all worth it in the end. I really hope this audio is recorded because I don't even see my meter, but man, it was all worth it in the end, man. Finally got one. Patience paid off. Cause I ain't gonna lie, it wasn't no way I was finna pay what people wanted for the hoodies, man. Wasn't no way in here. Yeah. Los Angeles Archive shocked us, man. Don't mind me, I just had to come outside, sit in the garage for a minute. But yeah, man, they shocked us today, man. They made it seem like they was finna drop Dub hoodies. Ooh, that thunder. They made it seem like they was finna drop Dub hoodies, the bag, the boots. But they didn't drop none of that. Well, they dropped the Dub hoodie. Dub hoodie out of that was the only thing that came with today's drop. But even if they would've dropped the boots and the bag, I knew that wasn't it. Just made sure I was like, get on their website, man, be on it. 2:59, I'm right there. 3 o'clock hit, refresh, and something told me, bro, and that was the first thing I saw. 2020 hoodie, bro. First thing I saw, I knew it, I swear, bro. So yeah, I'm in there, I'm good, man. Like in reality, if I don't get another piece of Easy Gap, I'm good, bro. I got a Dub hoodie. I don't care about the 2.0, however they tried to flip it. I got one. Quality is amazing. But 2020 hoodie is on the way, man. Yes, indeed, bro. As of right now, they still got some on the site. I don't think people really realized. I think when they saw what was supposedly dropping today, a lot of people was off it. So yeah, it's some right now. I don't know by the time the video get out there, there'll be, but it's some right now for sure. Double XLs went pretty fast because I went back probably 10 minutes later and they was gone. So I don't even know. They might have just had one. They might have put that up there for me. You never know. They might be like, hey, we'll put this double XL over there for Buddy. If he get that motherfucker, he got that motherfucker. Another thing, before I get out of here, I got a DM from Arepovision. Said that they saw my last YouTube video about the Vultures like jacket. And they said that they have been having sizing issues with that jacket. They asked for my order number, so they said supposedly they're gonna be sending me out a new one. If they can find it. I forgot what the message said exactly. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see it. But as of right now, it sounded like they, you know, if it's, as of now, it sounded like if they can find one for me, a bigger one, then they gonna send your boy that little blessing, you hear me? And I'm with that. Even if they don't, man, at least they reached out to me and tried. Shout out to them for watching the video. Arepovision just removed all their strikes that I put on them in my last video. I'm still mad how they did with 2020 hoodies, but either way, 200, I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't finna pay it. You know what I'm saying? I probably wasn't finna pay 200 for it. I probably would have paid 200 for it. But nonetheless, I was able to not do that because I played the patience game and it paid off because Los Angeles Archive came through in the clutch. Dame Lil over Paul George type shit. I'm talking about Steph stepping over half court against OKC before KD. Yeah, man. Anyway, man, it's your boy Mike Dub signing out. I was bro. This so crazy. I was working on a whole nother video. I had to stop that one to do this one because yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, your boy secured the 2020 hoodie, man. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know, did you even check the website today? If you was one of them people that couldn't get a 2020 hoodie before, was you able to get one today? Do you even know that they out yet? It could be this video, you might not see this video tomorrow. You might not even know it happened because of what they posted on IG was so trash. Yeah. Anyway, man, it's your boy Mike Dub signing out, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side of the side that flips. Peace, love. I'm gone with the water heater.